Hi guys, this is your boy F Lord. Today I'm here to teach you how to study effectively. So, number one, you have to make your studying plan. What comes together to make your studying plan? One, you have to get your study materials such as textbook, your pen, your exercise books or your notes, and you have to decide what you are going to study about. Right? You have to decide what you are going to study about. Then you have to find a place where you are going to study. You have to find a place for you where you are going to study, so that no one is going to confuse you or disturb you. That's one, how to make your studying plan. Get everything organized. Set your time for yourself. Set a time for yourself. Make your things arrange well. Then you are good to go. That's number one. Make a studying plan. Eliminate distractions. In this point, that time you have organized your everything. You have starting to learn. So you have to switch off your phones so that you will not get disturbed or receive any message from anyone. When you are studying and you get message or disturbed, you cannot concentrate on what you are learning about. So to study a proper, you have to eliminate distractions. For you to eliminate distractions, you have to switch off your phones. Get away or distance yourself from other people's or where people will disturb you. Eliminate yourself from distraction. That's number two. Switch off your phones or other things that will distract you and concentrate on what you are learning. That will make your mind focus and get attention about what you are learning. That's number two. Eliminate distractions. Number three, you have to highlight your important duties. In this point, you have to highlight important duties. You are studying it. Whatever you are studying, you have some duties or words that may be forgetting. So you have to highlight that words or sentence or where you don't understand. You have to highlight that place so that anytime you refer to that book, you easily notice the sentence or the word that you don't understand. So highlight your important duties such as keywords, any big words or sentence that disturb you or sentence that makes you don't forget easy. So highlight is very, very, very important in studying. But remember, we are talking about how to study effectively. So in your studies, you have to make some highlights, important keywords, important sentences. You have to make it highlight. So in this point, how to make it highlight? You have to find highlight pens or you have to buy highlight pens so that you can highlight that sentence or keyword. So number three, highlight your keywords or highlight your important. 4. Study for 30 minutes. Study for 30 minutes. That's number 4. Study for 30 minutes. In scientific research, brain of human being only observe learning about 30 minutes. Your first 15 minutes and your last 15 minutes come together to make 30 minutes. So human brain only observe things properly within 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, everything will be rubbish, or everything that you learn after that 30 minutes, it'll be hard to remember. So I will advise you to study from first 50 minutes to last 15 minutes to come together to make 30 minutes. So you can do it like this. Study about 50 minutes, get a break of 5 minutes, come sit down, then 15 minutes, add up to get 30 minutes. So the best minute to learn, or the best period to learn, is 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So remember, study for 30 minutes is okay. That will make you remember whatever you learn, or whatever you learn, that will make you remember. So remember to study for 30 minutes. Number 5, take a break. You have to take a break. You have to take a leisure time for yourself. You have studied for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes, so you have to take a break about 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Make sure you will drink either water or coffee, watch toys or movies to release your stress out, or to cool down the brain so that it can take or absorb some another things. So it is important to break, then drink water. After that, watch movie or toys, sleep for a while, for your brain to cool down, or for your brain to remember what you learned. Then, so this number 5, this is the end of the lesson. This is number 5. Take a break before you will add up something to it. But remember, look down there. Make sure you subscribe